How to recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So I'm not going to be able to actually show you how to do this because I can actually log into my Facebook account and I don't have any issues. But if I just go to my Google Chrome app, and here you'll see I'm on the Facebook Help Center. So this gives you information of recovering your Facebook account if you can't log in. So if you're having trouble logging into your Facebook account, here are some of the things that you can try. So you can try to recover your Facebook account using the Find Your Account page. So first step is you go to the Find Your Account page at facebook.com/login/identity and follow the instructions. And make sure that the computer or mobile phone that you previously used to log into your Face account. Next, search for the account you want to recover. You can search for your account by name, email address or phone number. And then lastly, follow the on-screen steps to reset the password for your account. If that doesn't work for you, you can try and recover your Facebook account from a friend's or family member's account. So from a computer, go to the profile of the account that you'd like to recover. Click the three dots below the cover photo. Select Find Support or Report Profile. Then choose something else, then click Next. Then lastly, click Recover this account and follow the steps. So those are just a couple of options that can help you to recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.